Deploying a Next.js app to AWS should be simple, right? Today we're comparing two AI DevOps agents, Stakpak Agent versus Cursor Agent. You can access Stakpak Agent from stakpak.dev, the button of AI Agent on the top right corner, while Cursor's Agent is accessible from the desktop IDE in Composer, choose Agent. First, let's look at how they prepare for deployment. Stakpak Agent asks clarifying questions and generates a structured plan including the full network setup. This helps ensure a smooth execution. Cursor Agent takes a different approach. It doesn't proactively plan, but instead it requires different prompts to run CLI commands, often defaulting to just giving me instructions to run rather than executing them. And so I have to ask it again to do the steps for me like so. And next, we execute the commands. Stakpak Agent follows its structured plan that we can find in the logs here, confirming steps along the way but running without interruption. It also deploys without needing a Docker file. Cursor Agent, on the other hand, provides flexibility. That is by allowing step-by-step input in the chat, but this sometimes results in pauses that slow down execution. Additionally, it occasionally misinterprets the environment, failing to recognize AWS and SSH commands like here, even though they worked just moments before. So error handling is crucial. Stakpak Agent detects and fixes the issues on its own, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting like an error with the EC2 image. It's autonomous and it never stops. Cursor Agent also attempts to resolve the errors, but sometimes when it gets stuck, it stops like here, so we have to run it again. And other times, it assumes that commands succeeded when they didn't. And when this happens, user intervention is needed to diagnose and retry the failed steps. Networking is where we see a major difference. Stakpak Agent sets up security group rules correctly from the start, thanks to its pre-deployment planning. Cursor Agent reacts to errors dynamically, adjusting networking configurations as issues arise rather than planning them ahead. This adaptability can lead to multiple iterations, and at the end, I had to manually update the security group rules in the AWS console to fix the accessibility issue that I had. And final step is verification. Stakpak Agent automatically checks that the app is accessible before declaring success. Cursor Agent completes deployment but does not verify accessibility by default. Users must manually check if the app is working, which adds an extra step. At the end of the day, deployment success is what matters most. Both agents are flexible, but Stakpak's structured approach meant fewer interruptions and a first attempt success. It deployed in 26 minutes with minimal input, while Cursor took 53 minutes and required more manual fixes, especially for networking. How long would it take us if we want to do it without AI? Let me know in the comments.